Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds Health Nuggets. I'm your host, Tanisha Lawrence with Monday Meds Health and Wellness Ministry. So yes, we have been sharing the Let's Go Nuts series, and as you know, you can find a playlist on our YouTube channel, Monday Meds Health and Wellness Ministry. That's Monday MEDZ Health and Wellness Ministry. There you can find the playlist Let's Go Nuts, and each week we add more to that playlist. And as you know, we've been sharing with you some interesting recipes that you can try using nuts. So let's jump right in. So, have you heard about chickpeas and almond spread? Quite interesting, right? Here is what you will need. 2 cups of chickpeas, and soak them overnight and cook for 15 minutes the next day. 1 cup almonds, 2 stalks escallion, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon basil leaves, 1 teaspoon parsley leaves, and sea salt to taste. Here's the method. Add all ingredients to food processor. Run until smooth. This may be served like butter on the bread of your choice. So yes, that's chickpeas and almond spread. And this actually sounds similar to hummus. If you know hummus, it is a family of hummus, which is also made with chickpeas. And yes, I love chickpeas. I'm looking forward to trying this recipe very soon. And this recipe is taken from the book In My Backyard, Powerful Herbs and Foods of the Caribbean, Book 1. And this book is written by Janice Riley and others. Let's share another interesting recipe from the same book. This time, we will share one that is a dessert. What's your favorite ice cream, may I ask? Well, mine is pistachio ice cream, and one day I should look it up and try to make it. However, let's share this ice cream called banana coconut ice cream. And I'm sure you have picked out the nut that is being used. Yes, it is coconut. And here you will need 4 medium ripe bananas, 1 cup coconut cream, a pinch of salt, and water. And here's how you will make the banana coconut ice cream. Dice bananas and freeze for at least 24 hours. Blenderize all ingredients until smooth, adding only enough water to allow the blade to spin. And yes, you could serve this with fruit sauce of your choice. So that's the banana coconut ice cream. And it is also taken from the book In My Backyard, Powerful Herbs and Foods of the Caribbean, Part 1. And yes, it is by Janice Riley and her siblings. So there you have it. And we will share these nut recipes in Let's Go Nuts playlist on our YouTube channel, Monday Meds Health and Wellness Ministry. So that's Monday MEDZ Meds Health and Wellness Ministry. And please let us know if you have tried these recipes. And if you will try these recipes, let us know when you do how you like them. And yes, for the chickpeas and almond spread, of course, we are using the nut almonds. And of course, we know that almonds and coconut are very great for your brain, as we shared extensively in previous features. As we wrap up Monday Med's Health Nuggets today, I am reminded of the words of the psalmist found in Psalm 34, verse 8. The invitation, taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man who trusts in him. I pray you'll have a wonderful day, everyone, and God be with you. See you soon.